Engineers bring specialized expertise and knowledge to construction sites, contributing significantly to various aspects of the project as highlighted on this video. Number 1. Design and planning. Engineers create detailed plans, designs, and blueprints that serve as the foundation for construction, ensuring structural integrity and functionality. Number 2. Technical expertise. They offer specialized knowledge in areas such as civil, structural, mechanical, electrical, or environmental engineering, ensuring that the construction adheres to the technical standards and requirements. Number 3. Problem solving. Engineers tackle technical challenges, find solutions to complex issues, and make adjustments to designs when necessary during the construction process. Number 4. Quality control. They oversee the implementation of designs to ensure that construction meets industry standards and regulations, ensuring the safety and durability of the structures. Number 5. Innovation and efficiency. Engineers often introduce innovative construction techniques, materials, or technologies that can enhance efficiency and sustainability in construction projects. And finally, number 6, collaboration. They work closely with architects, contractors, and other stakeholders to ensure that the construction aligns with the intended design and functional requirements. Overall, engineers play a critical role in the conception, design, and execution of construction projects, ensuring that structures are not only built, but built safely, efficiently, and in compliance with industry standards. Remember, you don't have to struggle with your projects and errands in Kenya. Engage and trust Njeri Veewave Enterprises today, and you will never regret.